Alright, so when you are working with a large data set, like the one that we have on the Employee Data Sheet tab, it can be very useful to use Excel's Freeze Panes feature. And freezing panes allows us to keep rows or columns visible as we scroll through the rest of our worksheet. For example, we have our column headers at the top of our dataset. Well, if we start to scroll down and then start adding a new row of data, we might forget which columns are which. Is this the first name or the last name? And then we have to scroll back up to know which column we're in. Well, we can freeze that top row, so when we scroll down our list, that top row will remain visible. So to do this, all we have to do is come up to the View tab, and then click Freeze Panes, and then we can select Freeze Top Row. And then this little thin gray line appears, showing what we just froze. So now if we scroll through our list, our column headers remain visible. So we always know which columns are which. And to unfreeze this row, we can click Freeze Panes, and then select Unfreeze Panes. Now that little thin line disappeared, and if we start to scroll, our column headers don't remain visible. We can also freeze the first column, because maybe you have a lot of data left to right. If so, you can select Freeze Panes, and then select Freeze First Column. Now if we start to scroll to the right, that first column remains visible. We can also freeze panes of an intersection of a specific cell. For example, if we scroll all the way back to the left, and then unfreeze our panes, and then select Atoms in cell C4, and if we come up to our Freeze Panes options, and select Freeze Panes, now we have a vertical thin line and a horizontal thin line at the intersection of this cell. So if we start to scroll down, the first three rows of our dataset remain visible, and if we start to scroll to the right, our first two columns will remain visible. So that's how you can utilize Freeze Panes and keep certain rows or columns visible as you scroll through your worksheet.